What's up everybody, Nick here with Tackform. To all the truckers out there looking for a solid tablet mount built to handle the nastiest of roads, gaping potholes, and engine vibration, look no further. I'll start with a quick compatibility once-over, then a deep dive into each component, outlining what really makes this product stand out from the rest. This spring-loaded tablet cradle will hold just about anything out there, and this mount is also paired with a 7-inch long, all-metal, indestructible arm, and what we call an AMPS mounting base for direct-to-dash mounting. This is available with and without the mounting hardware, but if you're outfitting a fleet, I highly recommend you sit tight and let us tell you about this installation kit. It will save you a bunch of money and frustration on installation labor. This is our universal tablet holder. There's 3 things that really stand out to me about this cradle. Number 1, the AMPS interface. You see a lot of different connection types and interfaces on the back of these tablet cradles, but AMPS is arguably the most secure, reliable, and universal. There's also a lot of great AMPS compatible accessories out there. Number 2, it's ultra light. The first thing you notice when you grab this cradle is its weight. This is not typically what you'd expect of a Tackform product. However, this isn't just any plastic. It's automotive grade ABS that's been life cycle tested and durability tested in a wide range of harsh environments. Now, why is this not metal? We do have metal options out there, but we found it's best to keep the weight down on the holder when mounting heavy devices. It puts less strain on the suction cup holders, and dashboards. The quality is great, it's very dependable and affordable in comparison to all metal alternatives. Number 3, compatibility. This unique design has interchangeable legs as well as a few inches of range on the spring-loaded side. This will hold just about any tablet on the market under 1 inch thick, from iPad mini to iPad 12.9, even with large protective cases. And the same goes for Samsung Galaxy tablets and many ELD devices. Between the spring-loaded cradle and the different arm options, you can grab your tablet in a multitude of different ways depending on what type of tablet you have. You can rest assured that it will still hold securely whether you're grabbing it from the top or from the sides. Tackform has a huge range of arm options in different lengths as well as materials, including carbon fiber, tubular aluminum, and cast aluminum. For commercial applications, we always recommend the cast aluminum, and here's why. Reason number 1, the dovetails at the end of the middle arm segment are all one piece, compared to a carbon arm where we have to glue and screw the dovetail into the end, which in rare cases, under just the right conditions, can fail, while the cast aluminum arm never fails. Reason number 2, this arm has a locking elbow mechanism that makes it incredibly convenient when getting the product positioned exactly where you'd like. Another feature is the ability to increase and decrease the overall arm length, as you can see here. Lastly, you'll notice 2 independent articulating sockets that can lock firmly into place with little or no chance of slippage. This is our AMPS mounting base. For those that aren't familiar with AMPS, it's an industry standard part where the holes are placed in a rectangle pattern 30 millimeters by 38 millimeters on center. This is commonly used as a mounting base in many applications, including cars, trucks, side-by-sides, even workbenches. The only thing that changes really is the mounting hardware. You'll see a lot of these types of mounting bases out there. Are they all the same? No. Even on a simple component like this, we can identify 3 reasons that this outperforms other similar parts on the market. The ball and bottom plate are not one piece. It's a CNC machined aluminum ball connected to a metal AMPS plate using flathead screws. So number 1, screw selection. We see many people connecting these 2 parts using very small hardware. Although the tensile strength of the small screws are adequate, the head size is not, and as a result, the ball can and will pull through the metal plate in high vibration environments. Simply put, we use bigger hardware with larger head diameters. Number 2, the countersinks. It's important that the connecting screws do not protrude out the bottom of the plate, as this can damage the mounting surface in certain applications. So as a result, you need to countersink the screws. If you go too deep, however, it reduces the amount of material under the screw head, further weakening the connection. Last but not least, number 3, the plate thickness. Simply put, the thicker plate once again eliminates the chance of pull-through. So if you're trying to reduce cost by reducing plate thickness, it's not the way. So if you're outfitting a fleet or your personal vehicle, you want to make sure you have a reliable AMPS base. Installation is a breeze when you're using one of our AMPS backing plates. It has press-fit threaded inserts, so you don't have to fumble around with nuts or bolts when doing your install. And what's nice is all of these screws are pre-dipped with blue thread lock, for a secure hold that you won't have to worry about vibrating loose on the road. And what's nice is if it ever does, you don't have to get behind the dashboard once again with a crescent wrench to tighten it up. Everything can be done right here from the front. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. I hope it helped answer any questions you have. If you do have additional questions, feel free to mention them in the Q&A and we'll get back to you as soon as possible, or you could contact our friendly support staff. Thanks again.